Going to start in tech.
Okay.
So my first overall pick is going to be Microsoft. I believe you actually kind of talked to everybody else about how if the markets are going to bounce, you're going to need tech financials to bounce. And so I'm going to go with Microsoft.
And JPMorgan, which JPMorgan is my second pick. It's the second largest weighted stock in the sector, second to Berkshire Hathaway at so JPMorgan's 12%. Next I had Citigroup up against JPMorgan, secretly kind of hoping JPMorgan could be my workhorse through this whole thing. But let us know, comments below, what do you think? Is he way off and I'm gonna win, or am I gonna lose and he's got the better picks there? Let us know what you think, and we'll take it through Stock Madness. Let's see what happens.
Excited to beat you.
Excited to beat you.
Let's see how that's gonna look on that.
Just wear it the whole time. How's that work?
Keep it there.
Yeah.
I hope you scratch it.
Wow, I mean that looks so good right over my shoulder, right? Doesn't that look really good? Wow. We've come so far.
I really have nothing to say. Like, that we could just stop it here.
Welcome to Stock Madness.
Yeah, you might as well.
I got some facts for you. I brought some data.
Well, what happened?
I won by a mile. Like, it wasn't even, it was a bloodbath. It was an absolute...
I'm looking at the chart.
Yeah. Actually, so I did something fun. I said, you know what? Let me give him the benefit of the doubt. I said, maybe from day one, if we, for whatever reason...
Oh, and it's not, because otherwise you wouldn't have brought it up.
It's not even close.
Yeah.
It's not even close. Okay? So I won, whatever, 2-.
Microsoft up 2.1% over the last 2 weeks. JPMorgan down almost 7%. I like the banks now. If I owned this, I wouldn't give up on it.
Well, yeah, you said that in your, you said that in the preview. I see that.
I heard it.
Okay, so you're over this whole thing. Out of all the stocks that we picked in this.
Glad to see you got a notebook, by the way.
I know.
Yeah, that's...
Actually, for every Stock Madness,
Here, I'll be you.
Okay. Yeah, you're pouting right now.
How's this thing work?
Yeah, telling all back.
TikTok.
Who's the best performer? Who do you think the best performer overall out of all 16?
This must be your phone. What's Tinder? Tinder, what's that?
Why are you on Tinder?
This is your phone. Tinder, Grindr, whoa.
That's your. I wouldn't have an Android. I have an iPhone. They know my American flag background. Who's the best performer out of Twitter, Amazon, Disney, Netflix, Penn, AMD, Intuit? Who is the best performer? And I've got maybe JPMorgan could be one.
Citigroup I had. You
Citigroup,
had
Visa. I mean,
well, that's a good question. I would say I'm gonna go either AMD or Penn.
Penn would be your answer. 97%. And then actually your let's see, I think Intuit was actually in second. Your Intuit came in second. That was your best performer, but also second across the board. No. Man, you spent good money on this for me. You spent good money on this for me. Yeah, that was the best performer. Worst performer out of this whole thing.
Berkshire Hathaway?
No, actually Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree.
Oh, I forgot about Dollar Tree.
Yeah, you had Dollar Tree right from the beginning. So anyway, I won, you lost, and I just...
Yeah, but you know, had I been able to sell a few weekly calls on this thing, I could have blown it away.
No, well...
Next year.
Next year, okay, fine.
I think next year we do it for real. We have to buy all of these.
That's fine.
That's fine? Oh,
yeah.
Well, tough talking. Okay.
Let's go.
I don't think I can get in trouble for doing that, by the way.
You don't think so?
Because we're sharing this after, you know, this is coming up a day later, maybe.
Yeah,
I don't think that's a problem.
I'll do some research.
We'll call compliance. Well, we got a lady.
That's right.
She does it, yeah.
Yeah. You have anything to add?
I like JPMorgan.
You're really torn up about this, aren't you?
I like JPMorgan. I like what they're doing.
Yeah.
I like Goldman Sachs too. I didn't pick that one. Either way, it wouldn't have mattered.
Yeah.
So, yeah. What's the next challenge? What do we do to give
you? Actually, in the last video that we did, which wasn't last week, we skipped last week. You said you had a couple ideas for challenges that you wanted to do when you wrote jazz on the bottom of your shoes, and no one commented.
Nobody cared.
Not one person.
They all want to pick on me for not having the nicest shoes in town, but as soon as I tried to do a little promo, people were like, nope, sorry.
Well, I'll definitely enjoy this for a little while, but I'm willing to put it right back on the line. If you have a challenge.
Okay, I've got one.
You got one?
It's like a quarantine kind of challenge. You ready?
Should be my corner. Yep.
It's gonna require a little prop budget, but behind that camera is a big old bay door. I think we turn it into a golf simulator and have like long drive competition, closest to hole, with the simulator. And
Don't you want to give yourself a chance in something? Don't you want to?
oh man, you seeing this? This is what I deal with all day.
I mean, I beat you in your game. Now you got to come to play my game, and I'm going to beat you in my game. You got to give yourself a chance.
I rewatched you, by the way, on the closing beat, taking selfies of yourself.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah, that's what it is.
By the way, remember when we had haircuts? Do you see the beginning of
That was clean. My hair that's the kind of hair I like to keep.
Man, looks
I don't
good.
care about the bald spot. I like that kind of hair. I'm thinking about going and having them just real tight here, fade it, and leave a lot of what's working up top.
Wow.
That's going to be a lot.
Wow, I'm going tomorrow.
You
With my
said that
belt.
last-
I'm gonna take this with me to get a haircut.
Yeah, we should film that, like different
Should.
times you're
Yeah.
walking around.
Everywhere. I'm gonna carry it with me everywhere.
Okay, well, yeah, I mean, here's the deal. I mean, at the end of the day, we had a challenge and it didn't work out in my favor. I'm thinking the next challenge we do is the golf simulator thing. I can picture it. I can picture that belt coming into my hands. I've been watching a lot of American Gladiators. And we'll see what happens. Also, I think we should sell the beach scooter and buy a go-kart. And we set up like an obstacle course down the street.
I'm in. That's what we gotta do.
You like that one?
That's
right.
it.
It's
That's
on
it.
you then.
I'm the
Sell the
championship.
scooter.
You're the challenger.
Sell the scooter. Let's clean it up. Watch that. We're going to sell the scooter. We're going to get a go-kart, and then we're going to get some cones, and we'll do a track. Huh?
I like it. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Yeah. And the finish line will be in the studio, so you got to like come in and.
That would be cool.
All right.
You want a speech? Should I have a speech ready? I didn't write a speech, but maybe if you guys want a championship speech, I
I'd prefer you didn't.
could probably come up with
Speech.
one. Oh, all right.
Yeah, this is not the most exciting video because I don't really have anything that I want to add.
Well, it's because you're pouting. So I don't know why you're pouting.
It's called the
Pouting.
spirit of losing.
It's called pouting.
Yeah.
You're pouting.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Thank you for what I want to appreciate. Start with thanking my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Couldn't have done it without you. My fans, Timothy Rogers, Lilia. A couple.
Who's Lilia?
Is that not the name? Lilia. I don't know. Someone was supporting me in the comment section.
Well, people, yeah.
Yeah, people.
Yeah, Tim, boy.
Well, he just knows a winner when he sees one. Appreciate that. And then everybody else that supported me along the way. Thank you.
I didn't have one damn fan, did I?
Oh, this is you being like,
Did one person-
you want the comments.
No more videos.
You want the comments being like, I'm your fan.
Listen, turn the lights off. We're selling the business. I'm out.
Oh my gosh, that's the ultimate pouting.
Hey, what do you want to see? You want to see the golf simulator challenge next, or you want to see go-kart challenge, racetrack?
Go-kart.
Let me know what you think. Tim's vote doesn't count.
Tim's vote counts for 10.
All right. Have a great rest of your weekend. That was fun.
That was fun. I enjoyed it.